Have you seen those viral ads for Rosopl Functional Dentures claiming to revolutionize comfort and fit with their so-called pressure-responsive gel? They promise that this new technology molds perfectly to your gums, prevents slipping, and eliminates the need for messy adhesives. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? So I decided to take a closer look at what's really behind all the buzz. The first thing that caught my attention was the product presentation. The images on their website look surprisingly polished, but on closer inspection, many of them appear AI-generated or heavily edited. Even the before and after pictures seem to be reused from stock photo sites, which raises questions about authenticity. Then there's the claim of FDA registration, which sounds reassuring at first glance, but there's no verified listing on the official FDA database, meaning that claim could be misleading. The site also features supposed endorsements from dental experts, but none of those names or clinics actually exist. Another major red flag. I also noticed that there are no genuine customer reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, Amazon, or Reddit, only suspiciously positive comments directly on their website, which anyone could fake. Pricing and shipping details are vague, and the return policy feels intentionally confusing, making it hard to know whether buyers can actually get a refund if the dentures don't fit as promised. So while Rosopl's idea of a self-molding, comfortable denture sounds impressive, the lack of transparency, fake visuals, and unverifiable claims make it difficult to trust the brand. It's one of those products that sits right in the gray area. Not an obvious scam, but definitely not something I'd call fully legitimate either. If you're considering buying, it might be best to wait until there's more real feedback from verified users before taking the plunge.